You can turn on private browsing on Safari in iPhone. Just follow these easy steps. To get and use this feature, you have to install the iOS 17. Once done, go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you get the Safari option and tap on Safari. Scroll down and here you will get the require Face ID to unlock private browsing option. So to lock your private Safari browsing, toggle this option, and after that, whenever you open your Safari browser and whenever you open the private browsing mode, you have to verify your Face ID. After verifying your Face ID, you will be able to use the private browsing mode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.